Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to use Google Drive in your mobile phone. As you all can see, I'm currently in my Google Drive mobile application. If you're yet to get the app and you're an Android user, you can get it from the Google Play Store. If you're an iPhone user, you can get it from the App Store as well. So let's quickly dive into today's tutorial, which is on how to use the Google Drive mobile application. I'll be showing you how to use the Google Drive to save, to share documents, to create folders, to re-download your uploaded documents, and so on. So guys, let's quickly dive in. The first, I'll be showing you how to create a folder. As you all can see, I have two folders currently. The first is my photos folder, the second is my work samples folder. If I should click any of this folder now, you see the list of documents I've saved into this folder. For example, let's click on my photos folder. You'll see the list of documents I saved in this folder. Look at the list of documents I saved under this folder. Let's go back, click on my work samples folder. You see the list of documents I've saved here, there. So this folder enables you to align your documents categorically, like folders by folder. If you want your documents to be arranged into folders, you can create different folders for all your documents. So let me show you how to create this folder. If you want to create a folder like this and put documents in it, all you need to do is to click on this plus sign here and you click on folder. You will need to enter the name of the folder you want to create. For example, let's enter tutorial. Let's name our folder tutorial. After typing the name, you click on create. As you can see, we now have the tutorial folder. If you click on the tutorial folder to open, you see the folder is currently empty. So if you want to upload the document on this folder now, you click on this plus sign. You click on upload. For example, you click on photos and videos. Let's upload some documents. Let me select at least two documents. Let's use image. You click on upload. As you can see, the documents are uploading, and these are images. They are currently uploading into the tutorial folder. Let's give it a little more time, and it's done. The two documents have successfully uploaded into the tutorial folder. As you can see, if you go back, this is the tutorial folder. If you click on it, you see the two documents in it. So guys, that is it on how to upload documents on Google Drive and how to create a folder on Google Drive. So the next step now will be on how to move documents on this Google Drive. For example, now you want to move this document from this tutorial folder into another folder. Look at how you're going to go about it. You click on these three dots, you scroll down, you click on move, you select the destination, you click on my drive. For example, let's move it into my work samples. You click on my work samples, then you click on move here. And it has successfully moved into that folder. As you can see the tutorial folder here again. That tutorial folder have been moved into my work sample. Here the tutorial folder is inside my work sample folder. That is how to move documents or folder into folder. If you want to, assuming you want to move just the documents inside this tutorial folder, all you should do is to click on these documents, on the three dots in each of the documents. Then you do the move bit by bit, and each of the documents will be moved accordingly into that folder. So guys, if you want to re-download your uploaded documents, for example, now let's re-download one of our documents back to our gadget. Maybe you misplace or you change your document. Maybe you misplace or you change your gadget and you want to re-download your uploaded document, that's the previous document that you uploaded on Google Drive. maybe you want to re-download it back to your new gadget, this is how you're going to do it. Once you visit your Google Drive, you click on the three dots on that document, you scroll down, you click on send a copy, you scroll down, you click on save image. The image is currently downloading into our mobile phone. It's currently re-downloading. The image I've successfully downloaded into our phone. So if we should go to our phone photos gallery, we'll see the image. We just finished downloading. Here is the image we just finished downloading. We'll go back. That is it on how to re-download uploaded documents on Google Drive. From Google Drive. And if you want to share your documents with your loved ones, maybe you want them to be able to access any of your folder, all you need to do is to click on the three dot on that folder, you scroll down, you copy the link of that folder, you send the link to them, and once they click on that link, they'll be able to access what you have in that folder, or the documents you are sending the link to them. So that is how to share your documents with loved ones that are not close by. And before doing that, just make sure you didn't make that document or folder private. So guys, that is it on how to use Google Drive. I believe this tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.